Hi folks, today we're going to make these super little table crackers. Use them as party favours for Christmas, birthdays, christenings, Easter, or just going out with friends for a coffee. They're just a lovely little gift. They'll hold two little chocolate sweets inside, basically from like celebrations or something like that. And I'll show you very quickly how to make them. Okay, here I have my piece of DSP pre-trimmed to 6 inches by 4.5 inches with long side up. You can use a scoreboard for this, but I'm using the Stampin' Trimmer because it has a scoring tool on it as well. It's just so handy to use. So with long side up, the first score is at 1 inch. Do it quite lightly because remember, although this is good quality paper, it is paper nonetheless, so you don't need to press down hard. So it's 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inches. Turn it and do the same again. 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inches. So that's both ends done equally. Now we turn it with short side up and we score again at, this is so easy, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, and that leaves you 1/2 inch to put your adhesive on. So let me just get rid of this. Right, here we've got the envelope punch board. Absolutely love this, obviously for making envelopes, but also for little boxes, bags, and obviously these crackers. So I've the cracker all scored. I'm going to just fold it lightly. I don't burnish these at all, because they're not folding flat anyway. They're just making a box shape, so I just do them very lightly. Now, so that's obviously long side up. So we start, I start with the longest end, not the end that you're going to put the adhesive tape on. Slide it underneath and go to the 1.5 inch mark on your envelope punch board. Punch down, fold it over to the next score line. Punch to the next score line, punch, and on and on. And to the last one on this side. There we go. And you just simply repeat that on the other side, turn it over. Again, I start with the long one, whoops. And that is it. It is as simple as that. So you're going to run a piece of Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue along that side, and you'll seal it that way. Put a little bit of ribbon around one end, put your sweeties in, and put the ribbon around the other end to finish it off.